Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all of the brushes that I got in my MorpheMe for the month of March. You guys know that I have not been the biggest fan of MorpheMe recently. I feel like it just kind of has gone downhill over the past year. So before we get into all of the brushes, I really want to get your opinion on something because I have asked you guys in my past few MorpheMe videos if you guys like to see these videos. A lot of people say yes. So I cannot decide what to do. I have talked about this so many times. My thought process here is to maybe cancel MorpheMe and then maybe sign up for a different subscription service. So please let me know what subscription services you guys are interested in seeing me unbox. The two that I have in mind are maybe Ipsy, but I don't really just want the normal Ipsy because I used to get the $10 Ipsy bag and I was never a fan of that. But they do have this new Ipsy thing where you can upgrade and get a box similar to BoxyCharm, but you do have to get the regular Ipsy first, and I believe there is a wait list. So let me know if you guys are interested in Ipsy unboxings or unbaggings, whatever you want to call it, or I have recently been looking into the FabFitFun boxes, which I think are quarterly boxes. So yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in seeing Ipsy, FabFitFun, or if you guys want to keep seeing MorpheMe. I will keep doing these videos as long as you guys want to see them. I don't have a problem getting the brushes, even though I'm not the biggest fan of it's not even the brushes that we get, it's just how many brushes we've been getting. We've only been getting 3 or 4 brushes. I don't have a problem continuing to get this subscription if you guys are interested in seeing me show you guys what we get. So yeah, now that I'm done rambling about all that, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'm doing a huge giveaway right now. It is a collaboration giveaway with Faith Drew and Allegra Chetty. You guys do not want to miss out. There are 3 times the prizes because we are each giving out a set of prizes. I will have a link for that in my description box below if you guys want to check it out. Today's post notification shout out goes to Hadil. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Thank you so much for having your post notifications turned on. If you want to be the next shout out in one of my upcoming videos, all you have to do is click the bell next to the subscribe button and then leave me a comment down below that you have notifications turned on. That is it. It is super easy. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. So the theme this month is glam rock. Obviously, it is a St. Patrick's Day theme for March. So it says, hey glammers, the party don't start till you walk in with your new MorpheMe brushes. A great makeup brush is like a 4-leaf clover, hard to find but lucky to have. Prepare to get shamrocked with 3 amazing brushes from our March collection. So as I just said, there are 3 brushes in this month's MorpheMe, which I'm being repetitive at this point. I don't understand why we barely get any brushes anymore. Way back in the day, we used to get a ton of brushes, so I don't know what's going on with this subscription. I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and go through all the brushes. So all of the brushes this month are from the Elite Collection. Finally, I'm so glad that we're getting Elite Collection brushes again. I feel like we haven't gotten them in a while. These are my favorite collection from Morphe besides I really like the Gold Collection. I think it's the Gilded Collection maybe is what it's called. So the first brush that we have here is the Morphe E56 Deluxe Under Eye Powder Brush. So this brush feels very nice. It feels heavy. So this brush is $17 on the Morphe website. So that is a very expensive brush. That pretty much almost pays for the entire subscription. So it says that this brush is a soft, dense brush that will bring tons of luck when beating your face. Its domed head allows you to set your under eyes flawlessly, plus buff and blend your worries away. You know, I really wish they would stop with the weird stuff on these cards. I don't understand why everything has to be this weird rhyming riddle. I don't even know what to call this. I feel like BoxyCharm's card is super normal. It gives you just straight information. They have to make everything super weird. I don't get it. So basically this is a brush for underneath the eyes. I don't think I would use this for underneath my eyes because it feels very dense. I mean, maybe it would be good. I'm not sure. I feel like I would use this for maybe contouring, setting the face. I do really like this brush. I actually am really excited that we got this brush this month. So the next brush that came this month is the E46 Mini Angled Buffer. It says, you may have a few bags under your eyes after St. Patty's Day, but this brush has got you covered. Grab your favorite concealer and use this mini angled buffer to cover up that hangover. Oh my god. Okay, so I would never use this little angled brush to, I don't know, to apply concealer. I feel like it could be good, but but I would probably use this for like detailed contouring. Like I feel like you could get like a really nice precise contour with this brush. That's probably what I'm going to use it for. And for a nose contour, I feel like this would be amazing. I'm actually also really excited about this brush. I'm not sure why they're marketing this as like an under eye concealer brush. Like I just don't get it. Like this clearly to me looks like a contour brush, so that's what I'm going to use it for. I can't even find this on the Morphe website. That's really weird. I don't know why I can't find this. So I can't find this brush on the Morphe website, so I'm not sure how much this brush cost. It does feel like a very nice brush. The Elite Collection brushes always feel very high quality. So yeah, I don't doubt that this is like a nice brush. And then the last brush that came in this month's MorpheMe is the E24. This is their Bullet Crease brush. It says, this brush may be short and sneaky like a leprechaun. I can't even read these. I really just can't. But it won't steal your bling. Use it to add a pop of shimmer in your inner corners and define those shining eyes. So it says that it's a bullet crease brush, which I'm sure that's what Morphe labels this as. I would never actually probably use this in my crease. Like I feel like it's too like hard and pokey. They do say to use it for putting a shimmer in your inner corners, which is actually what I was thinking about, like how I would use this brush. I would definitely use this to apply. I just realized that I don't have highlight in my inner corner. Oh my. I'm gonna put some highlight in my inner corner really quick with this brush. We're just gonna go ahead and try it out. Yeah, so like this works really well for applying inner corner highlight. I cannot believe I did not highlight my inner corners. Are you freaking kidding me? A little on the brow bone. I actually like that more than I thought I was gonna like it. I feel like this would also be good for like highlighting the nose. I'm pleasantly surprised with this brush. Let's see if we can find the price of this one. All right, so this brush is on the Morphe website. This is a $7 brush, which is, you know, a fair price for what you're getting. I feel like this is a nice high quality brush. So unfortunately, I cannot give you guys the overall value of this month's brush just because I can't find that like mini angled buffer brush on the Morphe website. I'm not sure if they make that brush anymore, but I feel like overall, despite the fact that we got 3 brushes, I feel like we got good brushes this month. Like I actually like all 3 of the brushes we got. I just wish they would include more brushes for the price. Like I know these are technically worth more than what you pay for the subscription. However, in other subscription services, you get like the value is way beyond. I feel like these are just barely above the value of the subscription, which is kind of ridiculous, so it's not really like that worth it. If you are someone who is looking to build your brush collection, then I highly do recommend this subscription service. I would say that you probably wouldn't need to keep this going forever or for like, I think I've been getting this for probably almost 2 years now. Like I feel like you don't need to let it go on that long, but if you want to just like build up a good solid brush collection, then you could probably get this for like a year and be good and done with it. So yeah, those are all of the brushes that we got this month in the March MorpheMe. Leave me a comment down below with what your thoughts are on this month's brushes. I'm gonna have them all linked in my description box below if you want to check any of them out. I'll also have a link to Liveglam's website if you're interested in signing up for MorpheMe. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, don't miss out on the giveaway I'm doing right now. I'll have a link for that in my description box below as well. And before you leave, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.